Hey everyone, I am going to walk you through installing and making your first post on Flipgrid, which is an app that several of your teachers are probably using to post videos, to communicate, show artwork, show student work, lots of things like that. So watch the video and it's going to show you how to download it and how to post your first video. Okay, so I'm doing this on my iPhone. So I opened up the App Store and I typed in Flipgrid and I downloaded that. After you download Flipgrid, it's going to have you open it, and then you're going to choose that you are a student, and then you're going to want to allow your microphone and your camera so you can hear and see in your videos that you post. And then you're going to enter a code. My code is Campbell Parchment, but your teacher probably gave you another code for multiple Flipgrids, so you can have just more than one grid. And then you're going to log in with your Google account. So click on Login with Google, hit Continue, and then choose the Google account you want to use. Your school one should be there. And then what it is, it will take you right to the grid that you typed in with that code. So this is mine for our virtual art gallery. If you press the plus button, it will allow you to add your own video. And that's it. Once you record your video, you can post it and then other people can see it. It could be something for art class, like if you want to post your artwork, or other teachers have given out Flipgrid codes. So you could join a different grid and then you could post about questions or things that the teachers have posted in the grid. And you can easily switch back and forth between different grids too once you are signed up for all of them. Let me know if you have any questions.